Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I cut my blunt cut bobs. Right here, I've already gone ahead to make my wig, blow dried it, straighten it, all the good stuff. So we're just going to jump straight into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure my wig tripod is sitting straight and my wig block is sitting straight as well, as you can see in the video. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and mark how short you want your bob to be. I want mine to sit on the shoulder, so basically brushing the shoulder when my clients move their head left and right, not too short. That's why I'm cutting right below the length of the wig head. So that's where the human shoulder would typically sit. Now the best tool to use for this I find is a hair trimmer. Don't use a hair clipper, don't use scissors, don't use any other thing apart from a hair trimmer. It's going to give you a very precise cut. All the little hairs under the wig, this is going to get it, and it's going to make your job so much easier. And another tip I find is very helpful is try to keep a eye level. Try to keep the objects at eye level. So basically, if you're working on a wig, make sure you increase the height of your tripod to be eye level. This eliminates like things going wrong at the bottom of your wig, basically. So if you're working on a client, make sure that your client is sitting high. If you can tell them to stand up, tell them to stand up. Or go lower, I don't know. So just make sure the object is the same at eye level, basically. Now you want to allow the hair to fall naturally without holding the hair, without turning the wig head left and right. You want to just let the hair fall and then cut. That is the only way I find that you can avoid any mistakes and achieve a very precise cut. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt the head forward just like that, so I can get the little hairs under. If we don't do this part, every time you tilt your head to the left, to the right, you're gonna see some straight bits under your bob. Make sure you turn the head to the side just like that and get the hairs on the side as well. So yeah, that's it, we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and bump the ends of the wig just slightly, and anytime you use it, of course, don't forget your heat protectors. This wig belongs to my client, so there won't be any pretty poses today. I'm sorry, but I hope you get the idea. And as usual, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, and like this video. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Did you try bob? How do you find it? So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.